Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to move a player on IR on Sleeper, which can be super helpful for managing your fantasy team. First, just simply open your Sleeper app and log into your account. Once you're on your league's main page, navigate to your team's roster by tapping the My Team app at the bottom. Then scroll down through your roster and find the player you want to move to IR. Remember, you need to have a player eligible for the IR spot before you can make that move. To do this, tap on the player's name to open their profile. Look for the Move to IR option in the player's menu. The mechanics here are pretty straightforward, just like moving a player to the bench. So you might see a confirmation pop up, so go ahead and confirm that if you want to move them to IR. Once you do that, you'll see the player move to your IR slot, which frees up space on your active roster. Just a quick note, you cannot add a player directly from waivers to IR. You need an existing spot on your roster first. Injured reserve slots are extra spots on your roster for players who can play due to injury. A player can be eligible for IR if they are labeled as out, suspended, PUP, NA, DNR, doubtful, or if they've been placed on the official injured reserve list by their team. These statuses can change throughout the week during the regular season, so keep an eye out on them. Now, if you encounter any issues when trying to move players to IR, you're not alone. One user mentioned they didn't see the option to move players to IR, even with 3 slots enabled for out players. A helpful tip from another user was to click on the BN tab next to the player. This should bring up a new window with available slots for that player, including the IR slots. Click on the IR slots to move the player there. If you still can't move a player, try logging out, force closing the app, clearing the cache, and trying again. The process for placing a player on IR is essentially the same as moving players from the bench to the starting lineup as mentioned earlier. Another tip is to switch to the next week in your league. That can sometimes help. Just a heads up, support has indicated that IR slots aren't supported in best ball formats, even though they show up in the league settings and have similar functionality. If you don't have IR spots in your league, your commissioner will need to add those in the league settings under IR eligibility. They also need to activate options like allowing players with COVID-19 on IR and permitting out players on IR. If you have a player on IR who becomes ineligible, you'll need to create room by dropping someone from your team before making any additional roster changes. Trading is another option if your roster is locked due to this situation. Lastly, remember that players won't get the IR tag back until their NFL team officially places them on IR, which usually happens around late August, but it could be sooner, so keep an eye out on that as the season approaches. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to move a player to IR and manage your roster effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantasy football tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.